She's pretty cute, isn't she there, Koi Koi? Oh, we gotta be quiet though, because every time we start talking, she gets distracted. She stops playing and stuff. Here she comes now. What are you doing? What are you doing, Jitterbug? Oh, she's gonna investigate the camera. Come here. It's just the most huggable, kissable kitten little. Yes, there she goes. Come here, Jitterbug. Come here. She always heads over away from the toys when I put the camera on. What's that all about? Come back here. Jitterbug. I see you've brought a bunch of your toys over this way. Oh, she's going into the litter box. She's such a smart little girl.